folks, unlimited4GLTE.com here. I just want to stop and do another quick video on what to do if you get your hotspot in the mail and your home screen does not look like this screen here. Okay, one of two things need to happen. Either you need to do a factory reset or you need to get the latest firmware. And how you check to see if you need the latest firmware is you tap on settings and just come in here to AT&T software update. Now the latest firmware is version 2.6, so this hotspot already has it. Okay, but what you do is just hit check for update. All right, now if you have version 2.6, that's what it's going to look like if you already have it. Now if you have version 2.6 and your screen still does not look like that screen, then you need to do a factory reset. Okay, now I just flipped open the little SIM door there, and it's the button all the way on the very end. It's not the square, it's the circle there at the very end. Oops. Okay, and just go and hold a paper clip in there for about 15-20 seconds until the unit does a full reboot. Okay, it should take about 20 seconds. All right, or you can come on over to the computer, or you can do this too from a cell phone. Just make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi modem there. All right, and inside your web browser, you want to go to 192.168.1.1. Okay, your default password's ATT admin. Log in. Okay, it's going to come up here. All right, again, you should see that UNL there. That's what it should look like, data unlimited. Okay, now what you want to do is come in here to settings, go to advanced, and then you want to hit device reset. All right, I'm not going to actually do it on this because it doesn't need to be done, but your screen's gonna look like this. Now, make sure your screen on the hotspot is turned off. Just hit the power button, turn it off just like you would a phone. Okay, and then go and hit yes, and it's gonna perform the factory reset. All right, once the unit's done rebooting itself, just go back into settings and make sure you have the latest firmware update. All right, and if it doesn't say that, then go and hit check for update. If this solution does not work, please go onto our website, unlimited4GLTE.com. Hit that chat with us button right there, and we can take care of you. All right, if you just stumbled across this video and you're interested in getting one of our hotspots, then just go and visit unlimited4GLTE.com for more information. Hit that chat now. We're always available to help. Thanks for watching.